If tools and equipment amaze you and keep you curious all the time, trust me, you are not average. And that's why today, I'm going to show all of you my tech maniacs, the coolest auto repair shop tools that could come in handy, even if you don't have a shop. Keep watching till the end and find out the crazy benefits these fellas can bring you. Air hydraulic motorcycle lift. Here is a perfect lifting machine for motorcycles and small objects. The device is powered by an air hydraulic system and can lift almost 1,000 pounds to a maximum height of 30 inches. Made of steel and alloy, this one is built to last and comes in handy for smaller storage areas. It only measures 86 inches long and 27 inches wide, and anyone can move it without any difficulty. It's only $730, so it's very inexpensive compared to other ones and provides a perfect price-to-perform ratio than any other device in the market. Bendit 2.0. This little 11-pound tool is going to make the lives of car mechanics much easier. Bend it like a pro with Bendit 2.0. This tool is specifically designed to bend car sheets faster and with less effort. The toolkit comes with different attachments for different materials in different conditions, making the work both fast and reliable. Although it just weighs 11 pounds and measures only 13 by 6 by 3 inches, the little fellow has an incredible operating pressure between 29 to 45 psi. WRD Glass Tools Handling Cup. There are different tools to handle all the different and sophisticated parts of a car, but this tool is going to make the life of a mechanic much easier by being a multi-versatile tool. WRD Glass Handling Cup is a unique tool that was designed specifically for mounting, dismounting, holding, and carrying various body parts. From intricate parts like the windscreen, windows, taillights, and headlights, to robust parts like bumpers, fenders, and quarter panels, this tool can handle all of them safely and effectively. Its easy-to-handle simple design, with a 6-inch suction cup that can pretty much handle any item, is surely going to come in super handy. Wheel Trolley Easy Lift. The next on our list is a practical solution to a major everyday problem many auto repair shops face: moving and storing heavy items. This smart trolley is easy to maneuver and can carry up to 400 pounds. The most useful aspect of this is its lifting mechanism. Unlike other lifts that need power, like electricity or fuel, this one is powered by a simple yet smart spring system. As you load heavy objects, the deck of the trolley goes down. As you unload them, it automatically comes up and lifts the objects higher and closer to you. The trolley has 2 brakes on 2 of its wheels, and it is 20 inches in diameter, so it is big enough to carry large items like tires or heavy tools. Rapid Jack. You must probably have felt the pain of jacking a vehicle at some point in your life. It becomes even harder if your vehicle is large and heavy, since it's hard to get to the right spot sometimes. Here is a simple and rapid way to get your vehicle jacked anytime, anywhere, without any effort. The Rapid Jack. This out-of-the-box jacking solution only needs you to set up and place the Rapid Jack and then drive over it until the vehicle gets the lift. Just replace the flat tire and you'll be on the road, on the move in no time. Seems so simple, doesn't it? And the jack itself is very small, but don't let the size fool you. The Rapid Jack's maximum load is up to 30,000 pounds and supports wheels up to 32 inches in diameter. Which one do you think is the best one, my tech maniacs? Don't forget to share your thoughts down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and the bell icon, and we'll keep you updated on everything tech. Keep watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.